Hello children, welcome to our class. This is the continuation of chapter 1 physical world. Okay, in that scope of physics. See, what is scope of physics, which we have already seen, but the scope of physics is very wide range. See, every event which occurs around us in our daily life is governed by some principles of physics. Is that, do you agree with that? Yes. See, one way of getting the idea of scope of physics is to look at its various sub-disciplines, which you have already seen that in the previous session. See that we have seen that branches of physics that into the two domains, that is macroscopic, microscopic, and what are all it contains. All these things we have seen. And one more see interesting fact, that knowledge, what you have to know, that an exciting field which what we having now, the mesoscopic physics. See, this is an exciting field of research these days in a new domain, see, which is intermediate between the microscopic and the macroscopic domains, and it deals with a few tens and hundreds of atoms, right? And the next another way of scope of physics is truly vast. Actually, it covers the wide ranges of mass, length, time, energy. For example, mass of an object can vary from the 10 power minus 10 kilogram, that is nothing but is what? Which one mass? Mass of electron, to 10 power 55 kilogram. It is mass of the universe. Like that it will be getting varied, right? So, different ranges which we have. Now, the next one is excitement of physics. So, the study of physics is not only what educative, but also it's exciting in many ways. See, some of the things I have given: carrying out interesting experiments, so discovering the secrets of nature, and also using the basic laws of physics for welfare of human beings. How? See, in spite of the wide range of complexity of the physical phenomena, it is quite exciting, that exciting phenomena that can be analyzed and understood in the term of few universal laws and the principles. Is it right? See, some other people get excitement and carry out the new challenging experiments to unfold the mysteries of nature. And also one more thing, they want to exist theories to verify and falsify the exist theories. And one more point we can say, that the applied physicists get satisfaction when they develop technologies for the welfare of the human. Is it right? See how the physics in relation to other science also. We know that physics is the most fundamental discipline in all sciences like math, chemistry, all these things. See, it has played a key role in the development of all other sciences. How? For example, we can take one by one, that is physics in relation to mathematics. See, physics is a quantitative science, we know that. And mathematics provide the necessary science, tools which the physicists use. It has played an important role in the development of theoretical physics. Had Newton not invented the calculus, he would not have been able to discover the universal law of gravitation. Is that right? See, physics in relation to chemistry, how can we connect? In physics, we study the structure of atom, radioactivity, X-ray, right? Diffractions, in such a way of studies we have, right? See, the chemist to arrange the elements in the periodic table on the basis of their atomic number. See, this has further helped to know the nature of valency and the chemical bonding. See, all the complex things which is involved in the chemical structures, with the help of the physics we are studying. Is it right? How physics is related to biological science? How can we relate it? See, the development of science going to the great deal with the physics. So optical microscopes are what we can say used to the study of biology. Is it right? With the help of the electron microscope, we can study the structure of the cell we are studying. The X-ray, diffraction techniques, we are helped to understand the structure of acid, nucleic acid and all. Right? Like that they are studying. It is involved in, it is interlinked to all the science. How physics is related to astronomy, how it related to geology. See, astronomical telescope are used to study the motion of all the planets which we are seeing, heavenly bodies, right? And diffraction techniques helps to study the crystal structure, the geology, right? It's not only these field, children, we have a number of field which the physics is related to other science field, right? I will agree, yes. See, physics, technology and society. See how the relation with the society with the physics. I will any day think about this. Any physics, society, technology, all these things are not separated. No. See, the fate of society is closely linked with physics. Right. See, whenever is discovered in physics, whatever it may be, it immediately affects the society. How? We can see with some other examples what we are seeing on the screen. The radio and television. Children, we know that the discovery of radio, televisions, now it comes a lot of communicative things, communication with the other part of the world. We have a number of various techniques we have, the technological things. See, launching of satellites into space. It is the revolutionized concept of communication. Is it right? See, the development of alternative source of energy is of great importance to the mankind. Is it right? So these are all the changes, and where the society is closely linked with the physics. We can understand by these some of the small examples what we are seeing. Next, how with the technology, the society and with the technology, both we must know, all are interlinked. How the application of physics have played a key role in the development of technology. See, today we see the application of physics in every single walk. Is it right? Some of the major technological based applications of physics we can see that some of the small examples I have given there. A geostationary satellite, study of thermodynamics, right? How the study of thermodynamics which has helped to design the heat engines, right? It gives the revolution in industry field. X-ray, radiotherapy in detecting the fracture, dislocations in bone, and engineering industries, crystal system, and many more things which developed, right, in the technological development. And what we have given, that study of electricity. See, the study of electricity has led to development in the electrical appliances. Think, there is no electricity, there is no appliances, how can we lead the life? It is a very big question mark, children. Is it right? Concept of modern electronics is beautiful. The modern electronics, without the technological modern electronics, nowadays think the digital platform what we have, right? It generates the new technological things. The technology gives rise to new physics. And both have direct impact on society. Is it right? See, some of the examples which they have given in our book, NCERT book, also these information they have given, check with that. Technology and it is linked with physics. So some of the terms only I have given, like example, electric generator, the scientific principle which is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Sonar, reflection of ultrasonic waves. Optical fiber. See, optical fiber, it is in the communication world. It given that much of technological changes. That is total internal reflection, TIR, we know that, right? Non-reflecting coatings, thin film optical interferences, beautiful, that is wide range interference, optical interference. The electron microscope, wave nature of electrons, photoelectric effect, photocells. So these are all some of the examples. The computer, digital logic, logic gates things, right? Digital logic of electronic circuits which we have, wireless systems, right? Rocket propulsion, this and all, we know that. Nowadays missile propulsion, like that we come to the modified modern world. So we can further discuss about all these things, right? Have you all understand, children? Thank you, children.